wash the chiles. So the tomato is the second step that we do that when we go to the molino. Tomatoes and tomatillos.
Tomatoes, tomatilla, and
Uh-huh.
stock.
And when the tomatillos are sour, when we fry them, we add a little bit of salt to take the salt and a little bit of sugar to take the sourness of the tomatillos. Because the ones that you have in the States are sour, very sour. And here, the ones that we have are sweet.
Wow.
So that's the difference.
Wow.
Okay?
Know that.
And sometimes we have those sour tomatillos, so that's what we do, you know? Put a little bit of salt. And then we fry our paste, you know?
So that's right. You fry it more and then you put
Okay,
it on.
yes.
Oh, sorry. I'm always tripping over
So those
somebody.
are the three most important moles when we have a special occasion, okay? I think Susana explained
sorry.
about the other moles, so do you want me to tell you?
I went to another, I think you went to,
Because I can tell you about, for example, you know, we have the other mole that we call it tablecloth stainer mole. And we call it that way because if a stain get into your tablecloth or whatever you're wearing, the stain stays forever. And it's a combination of fruits. It has plantain, pear, apples. You know, this is a savory mole, you know. And then we have another mole that we call it estofado mole. This is like, I can say this is like a Mediterranean dish because most of the spices are Mediterranean. It has caper, olives, raisins, you know, cinnamon, and what else?
What's that one called?
Estofado. Estofado.
Wow.
For us, it's a mole. Some people call it a stew, some people call it a mole. So, everything. And then we have the other mole that we call it pipián. In the pipián mole, this mole has pumpkin seeds, avocado leaves, and a little bit of corn dog with onion. You know? But the avocado leaves is the flavor to this mole. Then we have the chichilo mole, you know. The chichilo mole, I can say, is like the black mole, except that this mole has a burnt tortilla and it has fresh vegetables. Chayote, green beans, and potatoes. And a tortilla that is burned with the seeds on top of the comal. The tortilla gives a special flavor to this mole. And this is a mole that we don't eat it like an everyday mole. Probably we eat it like once a year or twice a year.
so what is your everyday mole?
Like an everyday mole, it can be like the green mole, yellow mole, estofado, you know?
So it's easy to
Manchamotele.
drink.
Yes.
Quick